this is how you're going to export and import Elementor pages. So first thing is you're going to head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then from the left side panel, you'll be able to find the templates section. So make sure that you have your template section. We're going to scroll down until we find it right here. Just going to click on that. And then from here, in your saved templates section right here, you're just going to make sure that you're on the page section. So you're just going to click on this page tab. And then from the page tab, you will be able to see all of your pages right here. So if you want to import a page, you're just going to click on import templates right here at the top. I'm just going to click on that, and then you're just going to choose a file right here. Now, once you have your file chosen, I'm just going to, for example, click on that. I'm going to click on open, and then you're going to click on import now. Now, you're just going to click on continue so that you'll be able to see, or you will be able to do it. You're going to click on enable and import, and you're just going to wait until this page will be imported into your saved template, which is your page. Now, to export a template, here's what you're going to do. So since I don't have an existing page template right here, I'm just going to head over to my saved templates. But if you're exporting a page, you can also do that for that one. So from my saved templates, I'm just going to choose one that I want to export. So for example, I'm just going to check this box right here. And then once you hover your mouse over the name or the title of your template, you can see this export button. So you'll be able to find this export template right there. You're just going to click on that. And then from here, you will be able to see that it is being downloaded. So once you click on export template, it will automatically be downloaded into your PC. And that's it. That is how you're going to export and import Elementor pages. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.